This is Roger Scott. I got something really cool for you today. Markets have been really volatile the last few weeks, and we're getting set up for a pullback trade. Now, I know a lot of you have all these indicators and all these charts and all these tools that you use, but have you ever considered using price data? Well, I know what you're going to say. When I use price data, I look at a chart, my friend looks at a chart, my neighbor looks at a chart, and we all see different things. Well, what if, imagine for a second that you could look at a chart and gain a complete objective picture from a chart, meaning if you looked at it, if I looked at it, if everybody looked at it, they would come up with the exact same conclusion. That way you can have your cake and eat it too, right? That way you could use price data, avoid all the indicators, and get the most purest signal possible. Now, I'm not suggesting that you dump all your indicators, but most traders abuse indicators and don't use them the right way. And what happens eventually is you lose faith in those indicators. The problem is you never use them right to begin with. So let me show you a really simple tool that'll help you generate signals on a pullback, all right? So let's head into the charts, let's look at my screen, and I'll go through this with you, all right? What we're looking at right now, I took a little screenshot here. What we're looking at right now is the S&P 500. Notice this is the long-term trend. That's the overall trend of the market. And this right here is a pullback. And if we went further back, we would see more and more of those. So you see the main trend is going up, the pullback is going down, and then comes back up. And again, same thing here. Well, we hope it's going to come back up, right here. It's a question mark, all right? So that's the situation. And I know there's oscillators to determine how you do this, and there's a vast number of tools. But I'm going to show you how to do it without any indicators, just using real simple tools, all right? So let me go back to the chart that we were looking at. Let me just go back here real quick to bar chart. And let me show you a stock. All right. This is Citigroup. We just had a lot of volatility. The stock market really sold off. So this stock is down. And again, if we look at this stock, what we'll notice is, again, long-term trend, right? Pull back here, comes back here. Pull back here, comes back here. What if, or how would you identify these low-risk entry zones? How would you do it, right? It's a question mark, and question mark. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. As a matter of fact, that's what the second and third video is going to be all about. So stay with me. I'm going to do another video to show you how to determine all this objectively while still focusing completely on price data. All right, stay tuned for the second video. And folks, if you like this, please subscribe to our channel. I'd love for you to subscribe. I do videos almost every day, and I want you to get in on these videos, all right? So this is a objective way to determine a pullback, an actionable pullback. All right, let's watch this. Let's get into the second video.